Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to go over my September Boxycharm by Ipsy. If you are not familiar, it is a subscription box that you can get makeup, skincare, tools, all different things beauty related. You do fill out a quiz. There are different sizes of boxes. The one that I get is around $30 a month. They pick 2 items based on your beauty quiz, and then you have options for the other 3. So every month I do know what I'm getting, but typically I forget. I have my box in front of me. I figured I would unbox and try on what I can. Of course, I will have everything listed and linked in the description box below, including the items that are already on my face, the items in the box, more information about Boxycharm. Not sponsored, just in case you're interested. Some of those links are affiliate links, so if you choose to shop with those links, I make a small commission, and I want to thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. Let's get into it. Now, the first item I'm going to pull out of my box is this right here from Lunar Beauty. This is their lip liner duo in the shades Blushing and Doodle. These creamy, long-lasting liners are magic wands for your lips. With their full coverage and intense pigmentation, they effortlessly glide on, giving you the perfect look every time, whether you're feeling flirty with a nude pink or daring with a berry rose. These liners are here to make your pout pop and your heart skip a beat. They retail for $28. I have the shade Milk Tea, I believe, in my stash. This first one is Blushing, which looks to be, to me, a peachy pink. And then this one is Doodle. I'm going to wait to decide which one I'm going to put on because I have a blush to show you and an eyeshadow. So let's put this on hold for a moment. I would like to match. The next item is from Il Makiage. This is their Mineral Baked Blush in Bootylicious. Retails for $36. Light up your cheeks with this mineral baked blush. It's rich in pigments and pearls to leave your skin with a rosy pink flush of color that lasts for hours. It's also enriched with jojoba oil for softness and moisture and a vitamin E to help nourish and protect your skin. I have tried a few items from Il Makiage. My favorite off the top of my head is their mascara. I did really like it. Really cool looking packaging. That's what it looks like inside. Feels very silky, and let's put it right next to the blush, or to the lip liners. Still torn which shade I'll pick first. The next item is from YC Collection. This is the Nerea Cream Eyeshadow, retails for $21. Elevate your eye game with this versatile cream eyeshadow, whether you're going for a subtle daytime glow or a bold nighttime look. This buttery formula delivers long-lasting metallic copper color that's both weightless and crease resistant. This is going to be the deciding factor. I do have a little bit of eyeshadow primer on my eyes. It is a cute little squeezy tube. It does have a seal on it. Look at this. Ooh. I'm thinking this lip liner is the one that we want. I believe that's the Blushing. All right, love the lip liner formula. I don't like this shade. BRB. All right, that is a bit better. I appreciate this shade a little bit more. I'm sure my mama will like this one, or one of my sisters. If memory serves, this is a long-lasting formula. I'm gonna leave it alone, and then later I'll add a gloss. If you're noticing how shiny my face is, it's because I don't have any powder on. I'm getting there. Matter of fact, there's no reason why I should not powder now. The next product that I have here is from Ofra. This is their Airbrush Setting Powder in Strawberry. Retails for $23. This setting powder helps eliminate oil and mattify your complexion, giving you a fresh airbrushed finish that sets your makeup and lasts all day. The warm light pink shade is perfect for fair to medium skin tones to help brighten, conceal, and set your makeup. Yes, please. Here is what the packaging looks like. A little strange, there was no seal. We'll just trust. Tapping some on. tapping it on my arm, and I have not checked for creasing, so I'm just going to tap under my eyes because it has been about an hour. And then let's go in. I can see the pink. I think I see some luminosity in there, but if I'm not crazy, I feel like there might be a little shimmer. It's not quite as matte as I was expecting it to be. Let me go ahead and do the rest of the face. Definitely see a glow, which I'm not sure how I feel about. Now we can go into the Il Makiage blush. I'll use my Morphe A22. It's a little dusty, which is odd for a baked blush. Usually they're not very dusty. But I don't mind it. I always tap off my brush. Very healthy looking. It's a nice shade. Now for the YC Collection Neria Cream Eyeshadow. I think what I'll do is put a little bit on my hand, like so. This is an AOA E131. Just putting some on the brush. Just putting it on in a thin layer. Take my AOA E129, just pull it up a little bit. Maybe I'll even go crazy and put a little bit on this fluffy brush just for blending purposes. And I have a feather light hand doing this, because you can put shimmers in the crease, but they can be tricky. I think that's pretty. I'll take a closer look in just a second. Let me do the other eye. Looking good so far. I still have some product on my hand. I'm going to take it underneath as well. Just taking a closer look. Just pressing in with my finger. Looks like I missed a little spot over here. I like it. The spot that I missed was my fault, and I was able to fix it with my finger. Now, of course, we'll find out if it creases or falls apart by the end of the day. I will pin a comment. And these lip liners, yeah, super long lasting. I'm back. I added some liner and mascara and a little gloss to add some shine to these lips, and let's talk about the fifth product. I have here the Kayali Utopia Vanilla Cocoa Travel Spray. This retails for $29. It is a best-selling scent combining creamy sandalwood, sweet white florals, milky coconut, and vanilla bourbon to transport you to your perfect world, your utopia. I own quite a few Kayali perfumes. I have the lychee one, I have the Eden Juicy Apple, I have vanilla, I have the pistachio, I have the rock candy sugar, and now I have the Utopia Vanilla Cocoa. I'm not big on floral scents, but I like the idea of the coconut, the vanilla bourbon. Let's see. This is what it looks like. And let's give it a spritz. My favorite Kayali perfume is probably the pistachio. I believe I keep that one in my purse. That's delicious. Very, very nice. It is, in my opinion, just a sexy vanilla. I don't smell coconut at all. It just smells like sweet vanilla, but the sandalwood sort of matures it. All I know is that I like it. Yay! I'm going to have Editing Jen put up the box total right here, but for sure the retail value was way over $30. Do I feel I got my money's worth? Yes. Do I love all the products? No. It's crazy. I have never heard of this YC collection brand. I'm not huge on cream shadows, but this one surprised me. I expected not to like this one, and I'm pleasantly surprised. Of course, it could fall apart in an hour, but upon initial application, I think it's lovely. The blush is nice. I'm not blown away. I don't think I would pay the $25, $30 retail cost for it, but am I happy to get it in my Boxycharm? Absolutely. Will I use it? Yeah, I think it looks nice. The lip liners, it's complicated because I love Lunar Beauty. I love all of the products that I've tried. This is just a shade situation. I'm not a big pinky kind of girl. If I go pink, it's a pinky brown. The Doodle shade is definitely the one that I will wear a little bit more. This darker one, this blushing, I will not wear. But again, happy to have them. The perfume, thrilled. And the biggest disappointment is this Ofra powder. I am looking at my face right now and it is just way too shiny for me. I do not like the glow in my T-zone. It must have some type of a mica or luminosity to it that I feel is a little bit unflattering. I love a glow all over my face, but down that T-zone, I prefer the matte. So this one, I do not love, most likely will not reach for. Overall, I am happy with my box. I enjoy getting Boxycharm. I like the surprise. I like getting the value because 99% of the time, I get my money's worth. So if you're interested in Boxycharm, remember everything will be listed down in the description box below. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing before you leave. It's super easy. You just click that subscribe button, and even better if you click the notification button. That way you'll get a notification every time that I upload, which is Monday and Saturday. Give the video a thumbs up, and of course, leave me a comment. That also helps my channel, and it lets me know that you were here, even if you leave me a heart. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for spending some of your precious time with me today. I will see you in the next one.